When we set out to create a timepiece celebrating 40 years of Mr. Rakesh Sharma's historic space mission, the moment he became the first Indian to venture into space, for us, it was more than just designing a timepiece. It was about encapsulating the boundless expanse of the cosmos and the profound pride of carrying India's legacy onto the global stage. The Unity watch is a fusion of elegance and meaning. From the very start, we wanted to create a celestial dial which reflects the boundless expanse of space. The midnight blue background symbolizes the universe, while the starry design evokes the infinite possibilities of discovery. We added the tricolor markers of our Indian flag to honor our nation's spirit, and unique spacecraft-inspired second hand, and an engraving on the back, inspired by his iconic words to Indira Gandhi, "Sare jahan se acha." Every detail of this watch has been meticulously crafted with intention, from the design of the dial to the selection of all materials. Each element is a reflection of the courage, the spirit of exploration, and the pride that Mr. Sharma's journey embodies. This is a timepiece that fuses artistry and engineering to honor an extraordinary achievement, one that transcends the boundaries of time and space. As Titan celebrates its own 40 years in watchmaking, we are proud to offer this tribute, marking not just Rakesh Sharma's legacy, but our own journey in crafting timepieces that tell stories. This is more than just a watch. It's a story of courage, of ambition, and of limitless potential. A story that not just tells time, but also takes you on a journey that goes beyond space.
Presenting Black Hole from the Stellar Collection by Titan. Pure darkness that radiates mystique. With an involute dial that draws you in. An open heart that captivates with its brilliance. An indices complete with ribbed detailing. The Stellar Collection by Titan. Inspired by the stars. Made for those who shoot for them. Titan Stellar.